Hey guys, so I'm gonna do my very first unboxing video. Yes, it's K-pop related, and I have 3 packages I'm gonna open. 2 of them are from the same seller on eBay, but I ordered a lot of things at once. The first package I'm gonna open is this one right here. There's a note, oh my gosh, saying thank you for the support and everything, and he also add in an EXO Overdose era pin. Yay! So I think these are freebies, I'm not so sure. Oh my gosh. But this is probably from the Love Me Right era. This is Chanyeol, Sehun, and Chen. I'm very happy. I don't know where to put this now. And then also the Love Me Right edition. When there were jocks, I have this picture twice, I think, but it's okay because I love them anyways. Very first one is this one. This is the limited edition one. Love Me Right Photocard, and I have the thing up there so that way I don't remember. Okay, so this is Baekhyun. This is Xiumin. This is Sehun. And this is official, by the way. This is not fake. I think some of them I ordered are either unofficial, but I heard that it's okay to have both official and official. This is Chanyeol, D.O. Kai. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Chen. Lei. I don't think he's that good looking, but he could be really adorable. Suho. Tao. So this is the photocard. This is a postcard. Xiumin. He looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Kai. And D.O. And again, D.O. isn't that good looking, but he can be very cute too. So, and that's just my opinion. D.O. How he's so pretty. Chanyeol and Sehun. He's my bias. I think he's just too adorable, and he is the youngest. Lei, Chen, okay. Suho, and Baekhyun. I think that's it, yeah. And the reason why Chao isn't here because he left. Pretty much he left around that time of the era. And then this one, oh my gosh, I'm gonna stick this someplace else. So this one came in a cute little envelope. And these are matching ones. Yeah, these are matching ones. So I'm not gonna go through them again because they're literally the same thing. And then the second one was this one, which is, let me find it. This is the not Overdose, this is Exodus, so this is before Love Me Right. And if you guys want to know the difference between Love Me Right album and Exodus, if you're new to EXO, Exodus doesn't have the 4 bonus song, which is EXO Promise 2014, First Love, Love Me Right, and Tender Love. So again, this is official. This is no fake or anything. This is not fake, I meant. There's D.O. This is Suho. And Xiumin looks really pretty in this picture. Chanyeol, his profile is just amazing. Chen. And this is Tao. This is, I think, right before he left. This is Baekhyun. His profile is amazing too. The guys could do really good profiles. One of my favorite, again, Sehun, Lei, And then Kai and the back just have their logo as of right now. They change their logos pretty much every album. And then I'm guessing, yeah, the Photocards are the same, so I'm not going to go through all of them because they look like the same. The next one I'm going to do, I'm going to put smaller ones. I got 6, but they're different. So this is Sehun. It's 2 color, 2 black and white. This is the first one. He looks so weird. This is Sehun, black and white. This is Sehun in color. And this is Sehun in black and white again. So this is the color one. This is his profile in black and white. He looks amazing in every kind of pictures. Another profile of him. And this one. So I guess not all of them has both black and white and color. Suho has 3 color pictures. This is Suho again. Suho again. And Suho star profile. And then this one. Hi! So I had to film my brother's iPod because my camera is being weird. But here's Kai. Another Kai one. And I had the light on because my brother's iPod doesn't automatically brighten the video. So if you see that glare right there, that's my light, my lamp. So here's Xiumin. Here's another Xiumin. Here's another Xiumin in profile. And here's another Xiumin. Here's Lei. Here's another Lei one. Another Lei one. And another Lei one. Oh, here's Lei. If I can. Here's Kai. And Xiumin. Channel. I like this picture of him. Sehun again. Dio. Chen. Suho. And then Baekhyun. And then probably the postcard would be same as always. Yeah, they're the same. Which is good because I get to start a collection of it. And I don't know what this is, to be honest. Oh, it's a Photocard album thing, I think. I can open it. So you unravel it. If I can unravel it. Yeah, it's where you're supposed to keep your book, but I think I'm gonna use this just for the looks of it. I might put some here. I don't know yet because I already have a binder, but I might put some in here. I don't know yet. And then, so he also threw in. If I can take this out, I think it's the same picture. No, a different Suho one. And then the same one, a locker room one, but this is a smaller one. But that's fine. I don't mind it anyway, so. And then also, again, he gave me another X one. This is the new, like, logo right now. The one here, this is from, like, 2 years ago. So, thank you. And another one saying thank you again. This is the Call Me Maybe photo shoot. This is with Tao. Where is Tao? Nope. Oh, Love Me Right. Not Call Me Maybe. So I got Polaroids, and I'm opening up Chanyeol, Baekhyun. The backs are the same. Another Schumann one. These are 4-piece, by the way, so there's another Schumann one. Here's another one, and here's another one. So Chen. I don't know if these are both versions because EXO did a Korean and a Chinese version. I don't know if they're from the same music video or different one. So it might be both versions because I can see that some of them wore the same outfits, some didn't. Here's another one. And here's this one. So this is Suho. Another Suho one with Sehun, I believe. Suho again. And it's Suho again. So this is Kai's just so he's probably my second biased. Here's this one, beginning. And here's this one. So this is 2. Yeah, this is a bit better, kind of. This is 2-piece again. Here's Tao. And then that's it for eBay. And then the other one was this, how much is this? 100-page one. These are different. These are 4 pockets. You can see here, because I might need these. Well, I am gonna need them for the smaller ones. So I ordered 2 just to be safe. So 2. So that's it for the K-pop unboxing thing. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and sorry about the camera changes. I thought I was gonna beat my camera, but sadly I didn't. But thank you for sticking up with the whole lighting changing and everything. And also, I do have a tripod, but I was sort of lazy to set up and everything. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, till then, bye.